Hello friends. In this video, I intend to teach you how to register with FX2 Funding Prop Firm. You enter the Prop Firm section, select FX2 Funding, and click on Go to Website. You enter the website. Click on Trading Home Dashboard to register. And for registration, you click on Create an Account. In the registration step, you enter your first and last name in this section, along with your email, address, and username. In this section, you enter your mobile phone number, also your country of residence in this section. You choose a password for your account, and I recommend using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, you repeat your password for confirmation in this section. Agree to the website's terms by ticking the box and click on Register. You will be directed to your account. Your account has been activated. Good luck.